You gonna talk to me? Yeah. Sweet baby boy. Yes, you are a sweet baby boy. Hey, bright eyes. Oh! There's gonna be a fountain. What do you think? What do you think? Oh, he's talking. There's your sister. Say hi, Kenna. Oh, what was that? Did you get your head kissed? Oh, and you're snorting too.
Can you see me?
I do see you. Oh. Say, I love you, Daddy. I haven't met you in person yet, but I love you. Here's Lucan. Hi, Lucan.
Hi. Can I take a picture of Aiden?
I'm videotaping Aiden right now. Say, okay, bye-bye. Have anything else to say? Wiggle, wiggle.
Stop it.